Thank you very much. You remember when I was telling you that we are starting a site here at IKINU, which for God's grace we have been able to do it. As you can see, this is the warehouse. We constructed it this way, and after finishing the construction of the warehouse, we agreed with my client who is working in America to bring the birds. And on this side we have 500 birds. On the other side, so far we have around 200. We are remaining with another 300 to make it 500, because the whole of this house we are planning to accommodate 1,000 birds. So I'll take you through. I show you, these are growers. They are remaining with 3 months to lay. 3 months to lay. This is how my client is feeding them. These are the feeders. This is where we put feeds. And in this side, it's where they drain water. They take water from here. As you can see, if I place, unaona maji inamwagika. So easy, within a span of 2 months, 2 months zitakuwa zinataga. So these are how everything is. So these are how maneno iko. From here, so from that side, yenye nimeonyesha hapo kwenye cameraman wangu anaonyesha kutoka pale, kutoka hapo mwisho hadi hapa penye niko. These are 500 birds. These are 500 birds remaining with 2 months to lay. Tukikuja hapa tunakuja kutoka hapo, we are coming on the other side. So from here, also she told me that she wants birds that are laying. And today, very early in the morning, I've been able to deliver them. Those ones that are laying. As you can see, there are some boxes that are remaining to be filled, which I'm believing within a span of 1 week, I'll be through with filling them. And for you to confirm whether they are laying, you can confirm with this one. These are eggs. Hii ni mayai. Hii ingine ni mayai. You want to confirm whether the birds are laying. These other ones have eggs. You have, these are Kenchik breed birds. They have laid for 2 weeks to 1 month. That's when I sell them. Now, as you can see here, there are some eggs. And there are those people who have been asking me whether kuku zikikuja huwa zinahitaji dawa. And with me here, I have tetrachloride in ya kupea because of anti-stress. And also I have alisaline that I always give them wakati wenye zimebadilisha climate. So after 1 week, tarudi hapa kufanya deworm. We deworm them so that tunajua venye maneno iko. So watu wenye wako IKINU na mnataka mayai, from today in this farm kuna mayai. You just need to call my number, as I always tell you, 0717 108 735, and I'll connect you with the supplier kwenye utatoa hiyo mayai uweze kuuza. So remember, as I always tell you, disability is not inability, and whatever any other person can do, on my side I can do it better. Thank you. Call my number 0717 108 735. Thank you. God bless you all.